brand new right here. Brand new strut, brand new sway bar link. I'm gonna put brand new rotors, brand new brakes. Gonna change the outer tie rod, and that's about it. You can see where the sway bar link didn't want to come out, so I had to grind it, grind the bolt off. Well, I did a pretty good job. It's just tight. Sway bar links in, proper way. Struts in, knuckle. About to change the rotors right now and the brakes. Yeah, new rotors, new brakes, new strut, new sway bar link. I'm gonna replace the outer tie rod next week. And then this is basically all brand new.